It's Lori from Brushful Studios. Today we're going to do an experiment. I'm interested in finding out about cells with your pouring, your acrylic pouring. Today we're using everything but silicone. This is coconut oil by OGX, and we have a Minwax pre-stain. I wanted to try that out, see how the cells are created, and then regular Dawn soap, a dish soap. Now, I just want to let you know that this is not sponsored at all. This is all out of our own money, and I just want to experiment to see how it looks. So, second thing, also before I start, that there are two very good paints that produce cells. Apple Barrel, and then we've got Amsterdam. I'm sorry about the bottle, but Amsterdam paint also. They do produce very good cells. So let's get started. We're not going to do any fancy pouring or anything. We're just going to put it on the canvas. A simple layered pour. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Coconut Miracle Oil by OGX. Okay, and all the paint is your paint and your pouring medium and the product. That's all I have. And I didn't add any water to thin it out. The consistency is pretty good, actually. So we're just going to put it on and let's get started. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Next, we're going to do the Minwax pre-stain. Same thing. And now we're going to do the Dawn soap. Wow. Look at that. Okay. So, you want to come down with me. We're going to look at the coconut oil here. It's very small. You see, if you look real close, there's very small cells. If you're looking for a certain look in your paintings, this is perfect. The OGX. And now you want to come down to the Minwax pre-stain. I want to show you this amazing how it changed. This consistency is all the same. But look at these cells. I apologize, there was no base coat underneath, but these cells are pretty profound and humongoid. If you're looking for a certain look in your painting, then this would be ideal. And it wasn't that expensive. This was about $7 at your local hardware store or big box store if you're in America. Okay, so next we have your Dawn soap. This is regular dish soap, and it did not produce any cells. I don't see any. I see a little bit of lacing, and it smoothed out the colors quite a bit. if you're looking for that certain look, it would create that, but it actually made things very,
It was kind of washed out.
yeah, a little bit washed out. Now, what do you guys think? This OGX hair serum, very little cells. Apologize, I have a little bit of a cold in my chest. And this, there was no base coat, but the cells are really amazingly profound here. Incredible. I'm going to use this if I want to create a certain look again. And again, the Dawn soap, forget it. Forget it. Get rid of it. Don't even bother. Don't even get it out of your kitchen. So this cute little short tutorial will show you that there are certain products that create different results. Small, the OGX. People are talking about this on the internet, and I wanted to try it. I just wanted to try it, see how it was. People are also talking about this on the internet, and this one is a really amazing product. I didn't do anything special to the paint. It was just pouring medium and paint, no water, anything like that. And this didn't do anything. So enjoy your painting process. Thank you for coming down. Have a good day. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate that. Thank you for coming by.
Bye.